is my meeting and I'm getting late. Let's do it fast. Start. Reach on time. Okay. No. No, please. Please, God, no. No. I am getting late and this car is not getting started. Why it is cranking? Please. Oh, no. Oh. Shit, man. No. Can't be happening. Oh shit. This car will not stop today. Oh fuck. Let me try last time. I don't think this is going to be start today. And I'm really getting late. This car has, I think I have to find some other way because this is not going to work. It's really frustrating. Why this happened to me? It was a very important meeting. What to do now? I told him to the service is pending and that my car needs a service, but then should I call someone or what to say? It is very disappointing for me as well as for them. What is the time? I have 20 minutes. Not how to reach. I called my driver to receive me, but unfortunately that he was not there. He didn't pick my call. Let's think something. Let's call. meeting because my car is not getting started and my driver is not with me to pick me for that meeting. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. I'll open my laptop and sure, I'll join online. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'll join within 5 minutes. Thank you. And God, now this is going to be sweeping this way. Yeah, hello everyone. Yes. I'm so sorry for not joining that meeting. Yeah, I'm just I'm ready to reach that place, but suddenly my car stopped there and it doesn't start. So I'm so sorry. But yes, there is another option, that why I join online. Okay, let's start. I'm sharing my screen with you. Yeah. Yeah, presentation is ready. Yeah. I'm sharing it with you. Okay. Yeah, give me a second.